Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone charging slowly or very slowly after iOS 16 update. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap battery. On the battery page, tap battery health. Check your battery health, maximum capacity, peak performance capability, optimize battery charging. Then go back home page. Solution 2. Close background apps. Solution number 3. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap general. On the general page, scroll down, tap shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device. Then wait for a few seconds and turn on back. Enter your passcode. Swipe up. Tap software update. Check software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Solution 5. Thanks for watching this video.